Chegamos no hotel, we are here. After we ate, it's full. And this is so cool, I don't know. This was a free night we had. Points. And so this is the family upstairs. I believe there's another room upstairs. And then they have the kitchen. Hello, Martin. Hi. And then they have the kitchen. I didn't even ask for a kitchen. And it was a free night with nice breakfast, so I don't have to cook. And well, he's going upstairs. I just have to do it really quick right here. Oh, it's dark. This is another room. Let me turn on the light. Got Luis. Another room. Poker table. Just kidding. Just a table. And this is the bed. They pull up and down. Colchão, cama. And the private bathroom. Hello! That's me! And closet. Nice, huh? Right. Oh! There's the light. Bathroom. And that's me again. And then it's not fancy, but it's nice. 2-bedroom. I didn't even know it was 2-bedroom. I just thought it was just a regular hotel. But yep. Then we're gonna upstairs. Vamos pra cima. Sobe, sobe, subindo. Guarda-roupa. I guess that's the bedroom. And that's me again. Cool. I'm thinking. Aqui. Ah! Cool. TV up here too. Nice. Ooh. 2nd floor, but we won't disturb the neighbors. Ah.